Hey everybody, Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Coleman Lantern 244 bunkhouse travel trailer. This is a fantastic lightweight and affordable option for that family that's looking to upgrade the camping experience. Maybe you've expanded or you're looking for something to take out and set up as a hunting cabin, beach house, whatever. It's a great little model to check out. What do you say we start right back here with the bunks? On the camp side, you got two double over double bunks that have the teddy bear fuzzy mattresses. You do have storage underneath the bottom cabinet right there. It's just our service folks for transport decided to screw it in so stuff didn't bounce around. Dual USB charging ports on the top and the bottom, plus LED light and your own window privacy curtain included. This is great for the kids, or since they do have 300-pound capacity, you could easily get some adults up there, maybe even a couple. So we take a look into the bathroom. A little bit tight down here, especially when you're talking about left to right between the cabinet and the tub. But going forward, plenty of room. I'm not that cramped. Foot flush on the toilet. Storage underneath the vanity sink right here, which is single and deep well. Got the mirrored medicine cabinet, power port. Got the raised lips right there. And these are the solid wood shaker style cabinets, drawers. You're going to see that all the way throughout the Coleman with the brushed nickel fixtures, giving it a beautiful residential feel. Plenty of countertop space here. Even have a hanger if you wanted to put coats, towels, whatever you wanted right there. Move over to the single surround tub. And plenty of headroom, plenty of arm room, so you're not cramped inside the shower. You got the water sprayer nozzle right here, and if you did want to take a bath, it is high enough for an adult to get in. But for a smaller style camper, they did a really good job with the space inside this one. Move around to the living area, the living room slide. Got your Dometic AC controls right here. You do have a 13,500 BTU AC, 30,000 BTU furnace inside this camper. Plus it has a fireplace, which I'll show you in just a minute. But you're not going to be lacking for storage anywhere inside this camper. Now for me, I know this might be pantry space or living area space, but that's a great spot for the grab and go stuff. Fishing gear, hiking gear, you got a Kavu bag or a water bag, just grab it and go because you're right there at the door. Solid wood, got the full extension drawers on these as well with the ball bearing slides, deep well and solid wood plus finished off, just beautiful and residential. U-shaped dinette giving you plenty of space to just sit down, relax, talk about what you've done, eat a meal, and reconnect. Because I mean, let's be honest. When was the last time you got out? When was the last time you reconnected with the family? When's the last time you just had fun? Come get a camper and just go, man. I mean, it's reconnect with the family. It's great. You got a beautiful big bay window, wood inlays with LED lights and valances. This converts down to a sleeper so you could get some people in here, grab the family, disconnect from everything, and just reconnect with people. But if you did need to stay connected, they do have the 4G LTE Wi-Fi extenders in all the Colemans this year. Kidney-shaped kitchen, see what I did there, master transition. Seamless countertop with plenty of prep space here. Dual USB chargers and a power port right there, giving you plenty of space for the coffee maker. If you want to put like a little mini toaster or something right there, you could. Stainless steel undermounted farmhouse style deep well sink with the brushed nickel high-rise faucet. LED underlight, more of those shaker style cabinets with the brushed nickel all the way around. Great space inside this 244 bunkhouse model. And I like how Coleman listened to people. They wanted light and dark accents, so they decided to match everything light and dark and keep the appliances single color. Black microwave, black hood, black top for the stove. Furion 3 burner with the glass cover that is recessed and the grill style plating. LED accent light right there. And you got the oven. 7 cubic foot Norcold fridge right here, giving you plenty of space for those drinks, the weekend meals. It says it runs on both gas and electric with the automatic switch. That just gives you a nice peace of mind. Come over to the entertainment center and you're going to see the LCD TV mounting bracket right here. You got your AC and fireplace switch right there. So if you want to cut on the fireplace, you absolutely could, which is right down here. Got the little crystal rocks down there, LED backlit with the blower. This does a fantastic job of heating this space, including the bunk area. Furion AM/FM CD player, or excuse me, just the AM/FM with USB plug. This is dual zone, so you can play the speakers here and outside. We come around to the master, and over here, I don't know if you can see it or not, that's your O2 and gas detector, or as I like to call it, the leak detectors. Move into the master, and this is a walk around. You do have enough space to get through, plus there's a duct down there for your heating. You got enough storage space. Once again, that's a great spot for like hunting gear, fishing gear. If you got like those really nice suits or really nice waders, you could put that there. Mirrored ward storage on both sides. Got the shelf over here with the LED accent light underneath. And one of my favorite things about what they've done to the bedrooms, you got the extended counters over here on the side for the nightstands, the drawers, and those long ledges with dual USB charging ports and power plugs. So if you got a light, you got a CPAP machine, whatever, you got enough power on both sides to make sure everything is charged. Now, I am not a fan of the LCD TV mount on the opposite side of the bed or perpendicular, but you do have one there if you wanted to mount, including the cable connection and the power ports. I'm just not a fan of looking across the bed at the TV at night. It's just not my bag, man. Got your master control panel as soon as you walk in right here, so you can check battery, fresh, black, and gray tanks right there. Great affordable option for that family that's looking to upgrade the camping experience and get out and do some more, or if you need a hunting, fishing cabin, or just something to go set up somewhere. This is the 2020 Coleman Lantern 244BH. We've seen the inside. Let's go check out the outside. Here we are on the outside, the 2020 Coleman Lantern 244BH. We check out right up front. You got the power tongue jack with the LED light, making life a whole lot easier when you're talking about setting up. Two 20-pound LP tanks, diamond-plated rock guard, aluminum frame all the way around this camper. You have that R7 foam core insulation in here too. And when we come around to the campsite, we see that we have the solar panel prep, ready, done. You got the panels, plug them in. Finished off pass-through storage. So if you got like the hunting cases, the rifle cases, some really nice rods, you don't want them knocking around inside the camper, this is a great spot with storage for that. Enclosed underbelly, powered leveling jacks both in the front and the rear. That is a fantastic feature to have. 14-foot awning with LED light strip underneath, solid steps and solid grab handle. The doors this year are 28 inches. That's just a little bit bigger. Actually, I think it's 28 and a half, just a little bit bigger than they were last year. Power ports right there if you wanted to set up maybe a TV, or if you wanted to plug in the boombox, charge your phone. This is a double axle travel trailer with the Easy Lube axles on it, 15-inch aluminum wheels, and those Easy Lube axles and that extra width really helps with the suspension and carrying this travel trailer. Sealed and tinted safety glass all the way around. They've even covered the hinges, so you're not going to get those rust streaks going up and down your windows. Dual zone speakers on the exterior right here. Back of the furnace, the fridge, the water heater, external kitchen right here, my man. This is what I'm talking about. So when you get done fishing and you want to do a little bit of prep work, you want to do some cleaning, not take it into the camper, and then grill them right here, perfect spot for it. You even have the little mini fridge right there, giving you a great spot to store some drinks for the outside entertaining, or what you just caught, what you just got. Got the magnetic anti-slam doors all the way around. Rear leveling jacks right there. And as you can see, traffic is heavy because everybody's coming to Gander RV and Outdoors. They want to get a camper. It's time to get outside and go. 4x4 sewer hose storage right here. Backed up camera prep right there. We have the arch ceilings with those 3-inch nozzles, making sure that the rain, the snow, the elements stay off the top of the camper and off of you. External shower with hot and cold, making sure that when you come back from the day's activities, you can spray yourself down and not track anything throughout the house. That's your satellite cable port right there. If you want to set a TV up, you could. Black tank and gray tank, labeled and color-coded by the handles. Got your city water connection, black tank flush. That's your 30-amp service plug right here. That is retractable. We move around that living room slide just to be careful. So we get here to the end of the tour, the other side of the pass-through storage, and as always, the most important part of any camper, that info panel, which tells you how much the vehicle weighs. For example, gross vehicle weight on this one, 7,600 pounds. Ask your RV specialist, what does that mean? Here's what my vehicle can tow. Find the vehicle that's right for me. So if you've been looking for something for the family, you need a bunkhouse, a little bit lightweight, not that big, but could easily be towed, good bang for your buck, this 244BH could be just right for you. Leave me some comments and let me know what you think. What'd you like about the inside? What'd you not like about it? I love hearing from you. And as always, please like and subscribe. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to talking to you soon. And as always, come check out a camper.